Introducing the CE Assessments Online Help Center, your new resource for guidance and support as you work with CE assessments. In the Help Center, you'll find release notes, step-by-step instructions, and tutorials for using all of CE Assessments features. Whether you're a brand new or experienced user, the Online Help Center will help you get the most out of CE assessments. You can access the Online Help Center from directly within CE Assessments. Simply open the Account menu and select Help Center. And there we go. So let's walk through how to use the Help Center. First, how to find help topics. We've organized the help topics into collections that you can browse from the home page. Simply click on one of the collection cards to read the help topics in that collection. If you're a new CE Assessments user, we recommend you check out the Get Started with CE Assessments collection. These topics introduce you to CE Assessments, walk you through creating your profile, and show you how to get around the user interface. The Application Workflow card will walk you through the CE Assessments workflow, from adding new clients to completing assessments to reviewing data and analytics. To browse frequently asked questions, click the FAQ card. To stay up to date on the latest release of CE Assessments, click on the Release Notes card. Here you'll find the release history and the updates on the latest features and fixes. As you're viewing a collection, you can click on a topic name from the navigation menu to jump directly to it, or use the navigation arrows at the top right to read through topics page by page like a book. You can also find help topics using the built-in search engine at the top of the Online Help Center. Similar to popular search engines like Google, the Help Center will show you topics that match the search terms you enter. Click on a topic name from the results list to read more. Now, here are some tips as you read through the help topics. When you see a gray plus sign, click on it to expand the text underneath. Then click again to collapse the text so it's out of your way. To see any thumbnail image in full size, just click on it. Then click again to minimize it. You can always get back to the Help Center homepage by clicking the CE Assessments logo at the top left. The quick links on the right-hand side give you quick access to CE Assessments, the support team, or the Automon corporate website. And there you have it. With the CE Assessments Online Help Center, help is just a click away. Just sign in to CE Assessments, open the Account menu, and select Help Center. Thanks for watching.